Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today we'll be reviewing this fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works, which is one of their bestseller fragrances. And this fragrance has recently completed 20 years since it was first launched. So to celebrate 20 years, they have repackaged this fragrance into a new packing. Both of the bottles are available online, and also they have launched a few variants in this fragrance in the US, but here in India they are just selling these two bottles. So it's up to you which one you want, but I like this packaging better because if printed pink cute cherry blossoms on a red background, so I loved it overall. I find it cute, so I chose this bottle. They also have one more bottle which is a bit transparent with a red strip and cherry blossoms, so I didn't like it that much, so I bought this one. Also this is a bit nostalgic for me because I've previously used this fragrance in 2013, because this was a gift from one of our relatives who had been to US. So then I didn't like it that much because it was a bit stronger for my taste. But today I thought after so many years I might like this again because everybody is describing this as a very heavy floral fragrance, and I really love floral fragrances. So I blind bought this one, but I have read in a lot of reviews, and I've heard women say that it's a polarizing fragrance, which means either you might like it or you might dislike or hate it. So this is not ideal for blind buy, and you should definitely try the tester from their store before you buy this one, because many women don't like it because it is a bit stronger and a bit powdery, which gives them headache. But to me, I really love it. It's powdery, it's feminine, floral, heavy on the florals, with a little bit yellow flowers and fresh notes to it, and woody notes on the dry down. So for me, I liked this formulation better, maybe because the formulation must have changed over the years. So I really loved this formulation this time around. So I have bought this bottle for around 899 rupees. Since it's one of their OGs, it's difficult to get on a discount, and I could not find any other discount on this that time. So I bought it for 899 rupees, 236 ml bottle. But if you keep checking, maybe you might find it at a lesser price somewhere. I could not find it, so I bought it, but you might get it on a lesser price on discount days, maybe. You might try it. But overall, uh, this has been loved by women for 20 years. So I think 7 or 8 out of 10 women might love this fragrance, and others might outright hate it. But I think I am one of those 7 women who have loved this fragrance, and I'm happy to buy this again. This is ideal for summer, spring, or very heavy sunny days. I think this is an ideal choice, especially in spring, because it reminds you of cherry blossoms. So I really like to wear this throughout the summer, and I love this, and I thought I should just share this one with you. So Fragrantica has described this fragrance as floral, fresh, woody, white floral, fruity, powdery, yellow floral fragrance. So the yellow floral fragrance comes from mimosa. So they've used mimosa flowers for a yellow fragrance, yellow floral fragrance. And notes as mentioned on Fragrantica for this are Japanese cherry blossom, sandalwood, jasmine, mimosa, and pear. So Japanese cherry blossom is a prominent note, and sandalwood is very prominent on the dry down. And on the first spray, as per my first impression, the notes are of heavy cherry blossom and pear a bit, a little bit of mimosa, and after a few minutes you can start smelling the powdery sandalwood. So it gives you that powdery feel with jasmine and sandalwood, and then it is maintained throughout the dry down along with pear and cherry kind of a fragrance. So that fragrance lingers on the skin. So those of you who do not like sandalwood might not like this fragrance, because that is the fragrance which lingers for a long time on the dry down. So do try this one before you buy it, and let it be on your body for some time, and just test the dry down before you buy this one. But I loved the freshness of pear in it. I loved the note of mimosa. I enjoyed jasmine, sandalwood, and cherry blossom. So on the first spray, it is cherry blossom heavy. So you'll feel that cherry smell. And then it starts transitioning into different floral fragrances. And it is described, I'll also describe it as a heavy floral fragrance. Some say that it's similar to Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, but I think this is more heavy on the cherry blossom. But I'm not sure because I've never tried Flower Bomb. Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Also, if you like such fragrances, do try this one. Do let me know in the comment section below your experience, your opinion about this fragrance, which has been around 20 years, and what was your experience with this one. Is it nostalgic for you as well? Do let me know. Also, if you like my videos, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hype this video from your YouTube mobile app. And until the next video, take care everyone.